Follow your dream. If this is what you want to do, if it's not what you want to do, you want to make it a hobby, just do what you want to do because it's your life and no one else's.
And that is exactly what John Scott did when pursuing his desire to become a store owner. Inspired by his roots, Scott was motivated to take a business-oriented career path.
My whole family has been in business of some sort of their own, and I've always wanted to do it. So we opened a clothing store about 7 years ago, and now here we are now.
John tries to make his products appeal to various Carrollton citizens.
Our price points are very moderate so that anyone can afford to buy them. And that's very deliberate because we want people to be able to come in here and find something that they like and be able to buy it and not have to worry.
Motivated to create societal change, Scott combats racial and sexual inequality through welcoming all of his customers open-heartedly.
Now that I've opened my business and you see people that maybe don't get the respect that everyone deserves. You know, they come out of one store and they're not treated the right way or the way they feel they need to be treated. When they come in my store, it does not matter how you're dressed. It doesn't matter your size or your age. You're all treated exactly the same here.
Reporting for Gloria Shields, Taimoor Malik, Kara Jeffries, and Cameron Alcorn.